Uh, Good morning to you. I'm in the wee early morning here, February 16th, 2018. I'm at the Crown Plaza. Could have been over the Omwood side, but this was a bit more economical to be here at this time. I'm on the amazing 5x12 matrix and its magnetization properties. And let me quickly do this before my time expires. I'm going to project my 5x12 matrix in a special way. And I'm just thinking today of the miracle that Yesshua, in Hebrew or in English, Jesus, who we call Jesus, he did a miracle, 5 barley loaves and 2 fishes, and multiply the barley loaves and fishes. No, I am in no means, or by no means, implicating that I'm able to take immaterial things and turn it into material things, or non-existent thing and bring it into existence, like the Creator himself. I'm just simply making a mathematical representation of the miracle. So here we have our 5x12 matrix in a special way, and suppose we say now barley, that one loaf of barley, and we spell it now B-A-R, one loaf of barley, and let's put it in general form this time. A, B, C, D, E, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, G, H. And since the barleys were not congruent, having the exact or precise amount of ingredients, let's say that they were similar, so that we spell, to represent the similarity, we spell barley in a different way. So we say now that B-A-L, we use the next for barley, and let's spell it in a different way for another one. B-L-R, barley, let's spell it in a different way. B-E-Y, and yet a different way. B-A-Y. So that we're spelling barley, but we're lifting out some letters in each. And we could have used other representation here. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say theta. And all right. I have here a representation in English, a little Greek, and a little Hebrew. Let's use omega. Omega. Close off. So we have a representation here in general 5 by 12. And as usual, this would be A, L, E, and A. So what we have here is 1 barley loaf, 2 barley loaves, 3 barley loaves, 4 barley loaves, and 5 barley loaves. And these ingredients here, the lowercase things, are a representation of the mathematical quantities of, say, wheat or barley in the barley loaves itself. And since they were not similar, we was not congruent, then we use different letters to represent that they have a different amount, mathematical amount. They could have been congruent, but the probability is less likely that they were congruent. Anyhow, here we have the 5, and then we just apply here now the PDM process, as we have done in so many occasions and time. And we can see the mathematical outcome of this. Exponential, astronomical amount of barley loaves. Because first of all, we're going to have it in matrices. We're going to have some 2 by 2s here. Exponential amount of 2 by 2s. Exponential amount of 3 by 3s. And so on. But in itself, we have exponential amount of loaves coming from this representation. I suppose if we should apply some figures to it, then say we have no, I'm arbitrarily making up some figures here. Barley, BAR, 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, barley again, B, A, L, 2, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0, 0, barley again, B, L, R, 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, barley, B-E-Y, 1, 1, 3, 7, 0, 0, 2, 1, and barley again, 0, 0, 2, 9, 8, 7, 3, 1. So I've randomly put in some numbers here. And once again, we apply the PDM process as we have applied in so many occasions, and we see the amount, astronomical amount of barleys itself that is derived from this 5 by 12 matrix. Yours truly, Dolphy Gilpin, president and founder of the 5 by 12 matrix. And this was the correlation of the matrix with the miracle. We have 5 rows, 12 columns, and we, in the operation process, we operate by twos. We operate by tools. I randomly sort of circle the tools. So we have a 5, 12, 2 correlation. 5 barley loaves, 2 loaves, and 12 excess amount of surplus that was gathered. Now you've seen me on so many occasions applying the PDM process and deriving exponential amount of not only matrices, we call it now the DLS, MLS, and SLS output. This is the economical dollars like sign, matrices like sign, and this is now cereals like sign. So we have both cereals here, spelling CE, pronouncing R, cereals like sign, and cereals, SERIALS. So this could have been CLS, SLS, but the pronunciation is the cereals like sign. So this is just an indication. Now life is not as simple as we would have the AP series here, and the children could, with the AP series or sequential representation, just generate exponential amount of these barleys coming down. So that we're not short of cereals in this world, but what we are short of is the allocation. As in the book of Proverbs, it is said that he stretched forth his hand. You could find this somewhere in Proverbs. He stretched forth his hand, the book of Proverbs, and feed every living thing. The bird, beast, man, the Almighty God, the Creator, stretched forth his hand, his mighty hands, and he feed every living thing. So there is no need for us to go hungry here on earth or to be homeless. Yet in the earth, we have homelessness, and we have hunger, and we have pestilence and everything. Let's get together and feed the human family so that we'll be not short of bread. For as I said in the book of Proverbs, he stretched forth his hand. He stretched forth his hands and feed every living thing. So I have sort of magnetized the 5 barley loaves and 2 fishes miracles that Yesshua, or the English Jesus, did and feed. We did not know, or do not know, if an invisible angel at that time came forth and bring from the lad that had the 5 barley loaves, and I don't know of the mechanism or the electricalism or whatever he took to do it, but he did it because he's the creator and he's able to bring forth from nothing something, and from immaterial material, and from microscopic he could make it into macroscopic. He has that power. I'm just simply making a simple mathematical representation, and I leave the rest to you of the astronomical amount of cereals we produce. This means that our farmers can sow seeds and bring forth bread and feed the hungry.